Can you guess what state this is just from this intro? You can pause the video now and comment with your guess. Hey guys, welcome to another adventure with Ruins and Ridges. Today, we're up on Bill Williams Mountain, and we're going to be going to that rocky butte over there. This is a very beautiful trail through aspens. People think Arizona is a desert, but in the high elevations we have Douglas fir, and this is a Douglas fir pine cone, and aspens. We're at a little trail intersection, the main Bill Williams trail that people take up to the top is here, but we're going to the Bixler saddle. In the spring, we have these fresh fir tips that my mom was eating. They are a good source of vitamin C and electrolytes. There are about 1,300 native bee species in Arizona. Arizona contains the most diversity of bees in the United States. These guys were doing some push-ups. These are the western tent caterpillars. Some of these nests can hold up to 300 of them. After scrambling over dense logs, we were very surprised to find cairns in a vague social trail. This cool rock formation is called Finger Rock. So we reached the summit through a series of class 3, and there's no summit register, but really amazing views. The red outline is our route to the top. Thank you for joining me today. It was a very peaceful hike with no people. I would highly recommend it if you're in the area. Also, let me know what your favorite part was in the comments. The microphone works. Does the microphone work? How realistic? I think the only reason we made it up here was because of this yummy package of Mr. Beast cookies. Thank you, Mr. Beast.